The acronym of system: save yourself time, energy, and money. If you have a system,
Ooh, I
which our
like that.
company does, our owner he's a graduate from the University of Texas with an accounting degree. He's a numbers guy. Everything in life, doesn't matter what it is. It could be motorcycles to wake surfing to building homes. It's about numbers. And so, there's so many people that, I need to talk to a day. Now, if I don't have a lot of traffic, then I need to go out and prospect. So many calls, X amount of calls a day, X amount of follow up. But if you have a system, and the company, they have a great system. We continue to roll inventory homes out. They don't allow me to make changes to those, but that speeds up the process and keeps, putting in. Every time I sell one, I have 5 to 10 homes on deck ready to go. Another one comes out. Not waiting weeks. I mean, they've got the whole, the lakeway permitting, the city, everything is a little more difficult here. Building in the hills and on rock with topography where lots are sloped is way different than Houston, where everything's flat, easy, no zoning, you just go. You pour a slab in a week, you're framing in 2, you're literally in that home 4 months later. Here, it's a system. So we have a great system of what we do as far as planning our sections to maximize the model home and the number 2 plan. So we look at our top 2 plans and we map out and reserve those lots. So I'm getting 38 new lots in a new section. Already people are calling me. I want to see it. I want to see it. Hold on. I've got to plan it out. Got to get it right, because everyone's going to want the model home, and I got to make sure I maximize the number of that plan I can build. So it's basically a system. And I have besides getting up and doing what I do before I come to work, then coming in, quickly checking voicemail, checking email, get that stuff off my plate within the first hour so I can prospect, answer a couple leads. And I mean, every week I'm looking for the next sale. I'm continually looking ahead. I'm looking right now. Actually, I'm not even looking this week. I have an appointment tomorrow at 11 that I've already worked on. I'm looking into next week. I'm looking into the following week, what's coming. And I'm already working with those people via email, building vision. This is what I can do. This is what I do. You might want to hurry up. This might be gone. And so get a good system. Everything successful, in my opinion, in life, all businesses, if you have a good system, you'll be great. And save yourself time, energy, money.
I want to piggyback on that, because you say something, and in the mortgage business, and I coach mortgage people, we have found the guys who are the most successful, they will always have 5, 10 appointments set for next week and the week beyond, right? They're just, to your point. It's about a system and planning ahead. And if you're just thinking about, well, I hope something happens today, you've already missed it. So I think that's great advice.